A very good morning to all. Today we will start with the second chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Earliest Societies. In the previous chapter we discussed about prehistory, history and the sources of history. So in this chapter we will be discussing about the different ages of prehistory. So let's start with the topic understanding prehistory. The scientists, they have proved that modern humans, they belong to Homo sapiens. So Homo sapiens is the species which appeared on earth about 200,000 years ago. And they were the hunter-gatherers because they used to hunt wild animals, caught fish and bird. They also gathered fruits, seeds, roots of the plants, leaves. So that's why they were known as the hunter-gatherer. And they moved from one place to another in search of food and shelter. That's why they were also known as nomads. That means they led a nomadic life. And here you can see they lived in caves and they were known as the cave dwellers. And they used animal hides to protect themselves from extremely cold climate. They also used different tools made up of stones, bones and sticks. And they used these tools for hunting, for protecting themselves from wild animals, for cutting trees and so on. So they were also known as the cave dwellers. Now here let's discuss about evolution. Kids, we know that human beings have evolved from ape-like creature, and modern humans, they can balance themselves on their feet, and by this their hands became free and it resulted in the evolution of thumb, and it made easy for them to hold things and to do other jobs. Along with this, their brain size also developed, and the early humans, they realized that the stones which were found everywhere could be used in making tools. So the early humans, they used these stones for making different types of tools, and these tools were used for different purposes, like for hunting animals, for cutting meat, for cutting the trees and so on. That's why the historians, they call this period Stone Age period. Now this Stone Age period is divided into three periods. The first one, the Paleolithic age. Second one, the Mesolithic age. Third one, the Neolithic age. Now these terms, that is Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic, they are derived from Greek words, where Paleos means old, lithic means stone. Similarly, Mesos means middle, lithic means stone, and Neo means new and lithic means stone. So once again, the Stone Age is divided into three periods. The first one, Paleolithic age. Second, the Mesolithic age. Third one is Neolithic age. So we will be discussing them one by one. First, let's talk about the Paleolithic age. Now, this age is also known as the Old Stone Age, and the period, it lasted approximately from 500,000 BCE to 10,000 BCE, where we know that BCE stands for Before Common Era. During this period, the people, that is the early people, they led a nomadic life. So they moved from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Now this Paleolithic age is again divided into three subdivisions, and they are: the first one, the early or lower Paleolithic age; second one, the middle Paleolithic age; the third one is the upper Paleolithic age. So first we will be discussing about the early or lower Paleolithic age. Now this is the time when the first stone tool appeared. During this period, the climate was extremely cold and many parts of the earth was covered in ice. That's why this age is also known as Ice Age. And you can find these sites in India on the banks of River Sound in Punjab and River Narmada. Now this place, that is the river Sound, is present in Pakistan. So this was about the early Paleolithic age. Now the next one is Middle Paleolithic age. During this period, the early people, they used flake tools. So flake tools have sharp edges and it was used for cutting, for scraping and for carving. Now here the people, they lived in groups and they lived in caves, and they also started painting on the walls of the caves. In India, you can find these sites on the banks of river Luni in Rajasthan and Narmada Valley. So kids, you can locate these sites on the map. The third one is the Upper Paleolithic age. During this period, the climate, it became warmer and the early people, they used blade tools. So these are the tools with parallel sharp edges, and these tools were used as knife, spears and arrowhead. They also started to make shelters to live in. They also made necklaces and bracelets using materials like shells and bones. So in India, these sites have been found in Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh. So these were the three subdivisions of Paleolithic age. Next, we will discuss about the stone tools of early humans. As we have already discussed that the early humans, they realized that the stones which were present everywhere could be used as tools. So there are three types of stone tools. They are core tools, flake tools and blade tools. So we will be discussing them one by one. The first one is core tools, and you can see this tool is almost the size of human hands and it was used for throwing and pounding. Next one is flake tool. Now these tools have sharp edges and they were used for scraping and slitting. Now here scraping is the art of removing something from the surface. For example, removing the skin of dead animals. Next one is blade tools. Now these tools is twice in length as their breadth and they have two parallel sharp edges. They were used as knives, spears and arrowheads. So these are the three types of tools, and they are core tools, flake tools and blade tools. Next, let's have a look on some of the tools that were used by the early humans. As you can see here, the picture of hand axe, and it was used for cutting or smashing things. Then the chopper, it was used for chopping meat. Here you can see the picture of cleaver, and it was used to cut other stones or small branches of trees. Then the scraper, and it was used to clean the skin of animal. Here you can see the picture of arrowhead, and it was used to kill running animals. Here the blade tools, and you can see they had two parallel cutting edges and they were used as knives and spears. So these are some of the tools that were used by the early humans. Now we are talking about the Paleolithic age, and one of the important and the turning point of humankind is the discovery of fire. And this fire was used in different ways by the early humans. They used this fire to keep themselves warm and to lighten up the dark caves. They also used fire to cook food. Third one is they also used it to scare wild animals. So the discovery of fire was one of the turning point in the Paleolithic age. Now here you can see the archaeologists, they have found the earliest evidences of fire of the early Paleolithic age, that is in Chesowanja in Kenya, located in East Africa, and Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh in India. So kids, you can find out the location of these sites on the map. Now next, you have an activity, and the activity is, imagine you lived in a rock shelter about 32,000 years ago. You have to write a diary entry on how you lived there, what work you did and what tools you used. So after completing it, you have to upload in Microsoft Teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.